Meaning of echo sounder.
Echo sounder.
Echo sounder.
Echo sounder.
Echo sounder. An echo sounder is a device that is used to measure the depth of water, as well as to locate and identify objects underwater. It works by emitting sound waves that travel through the water and bounce off any objects in their path, which are then detected by the device. The time it takes for the sound wave to return to the echo sounder is used to calculate the depth of the water or the distance to the object. The resulting data can be used to create maps of the waterbed and to locate fish or other underwater creatures.